Hey guys, me and CJ are on our way to the Truckathon, which is downtown Detroit, right off the river. They have all the big trucks out here for him to see, and I think he'll really enjoy himself because this is something that he really likes to do on a regular basis, is play with trucks for kids. So now he gets to see the real trucks up close and personal. I love you, baby CJ. You having fun, CJ? Say shuttle bus. Shuttle bus. Take a seat. Sit down. Sit down.
our bomb suit.
Oh, wow.
So most of it we try to do with the robot, but if we can't, we have to get in the bomb suit.
Oh, okay. How often does this get used?
You know, not a lot, because we use robots so much.
Okay, that's good.
But if we do, it weighs about 80 pounds.
Wow.
You good if you want?
Oh, can we? Okay. I'm gonna switch it up to the side. Look, CJ. Look at the canine. No, no, no. Look, it's a police dog. It's a police dog. Say police. No, 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 no.
It's our school book year. Every diver and on the team's got a set of years or something.
This is a really cool event, you guys. We are really enjoying ourselves. I think I'm having more fun than CJ, but I'm just learning a lot about the different trucks that they have for the State Department, local police. It's very interesting. I thought there'd be a lot more people out here, but there aren't. It is a bit chilly. It's more like fall time weather, but it actually feels pretty good because you're not out here sweating or whatever, but I'm having fun. So make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up as well. Say hi. Guys, we had a good time at this little truckathon that they have here in the city. It's over now. We were there for about an hour, which was a good enough time. The weather actually was great. I didn't mind it. I think we're gonna go and get something to eat, probably try a new restaurant, and I guess head on back home. We don't really have anything else to do for today, but thanks for staying tuned. Say hi, CJ. He picked up a few cats and he got a few treats. So I think he really enjoyed himself. One thing that I was disappointed in was that they didn't have a fire truck, which is what most kids like to see. And then I think they could have had more police officers available. I was most interested in seeing the bomb squad truck. It was interesting to talk to those people, and also the divers, the Michigan State divers that you know, going to the rivers and lakes and look for, you know, crime evidence and dead bodies. But anyway, I'm gonna get off here, go get something to eat, and I'll talk to you guys later. To the side. To the side. To the other side. Down low. Too slow. Up high. Down low. So he's growing a little bit, he's growing impatient waiting for our food, but we're at Mudgy's Deli Shop over in Corktown, and I got a Reuben sandwich, and I ordered him some macaroni pasta. So I'm starving, I know he's starving, so we're ready to eat. And I'll tell you guys how it is. It's actually a very popular place. I'm happy to be here. And checking in on the Yelp app gets you $1 off of a order of $10 or more. So that makes me happy.